Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add PNG to video in CapCut. I'll guide you through every step to make it super easy. Step 1. First, open CapCut and import the main video you want to edit. Then drag it onto the timeline at the bottom. Step 2. Now to add your PNG, click on the Import button at the top left and select your PNG file. Once imported, drag and drop the PNG onto the timeline above your video track. Step 3. After adding the PNG, you can resize it by clicking on the corners of the image in the preview window. Move it around to place it exactly where you want it to appear on the screen. Step 4. You can adjust the duration of the PNG by dragging the edges of the PNG layer on the timeline. This controls how long the PNG stays visible during the video. Step 5. Once you are happy with the positioning and timing, click the Export button at the top right to save your video with the PNG image perfectly added. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tutorials.